What if I told you a woman's first impression of you isn't permanent? That even if she's not interested today, you can still shift how she feels, without begging, without games, and without changing who you are. Because attraction isn't just about looks, it's about psychology. And when you master these principles, she starts to see you differently, sometimes faster than you think. Let's break it down. Most men make one fatal mistake. They think attraction is fixed. She's either into me or she's not. But female psychology doesn't work that way. A woman's attraction grows when she feels a certain energy from you, not desperation, not neediness, not endless effort, but calm strength, self-control, and presence. The exact qualities Stoic philosophy has trained men to master for centuries. So how do you flip the script and make her want you even when she wasn't interested before? 1. Stop seeking her approval. The more you try to prove yourself, the less she respects you. But when you pull back, when you stop performing for her validation, her mind shifts. She starts to wonder, why isn't he trying to impress me like everyone else? That curiosity opens the door to attraction. 2. Redirect your energy to purpose. A man with no mission clings to women. A man with a mission makes women cling to him. The moment she sees that your life revolves around something greater than her, your work, your growth, your vision, her view of you changes. Purpose is magnetic. 3. Master emotional control. Most men crumble under female tests: jealousy, rejection, silence. But when you remain calm, when you don't overreact, when you move with quiet confidence, she begins to feel safe around you. And safety, in female psychology, is the foundation of desire. 4. Set unshakable boundaries. Nothing makes a woman want you more than realizing you won't tolerate disrespect. The moment you show that your time, energy, and values are protected, she feels your strength. Boundaries make her see you not as an option, but as a man of value. 5. Use silence, as power words can be empty. But silence? Silence makes her think. When you don't rush to fill every gap, when you don't over-explain, when you stay composed in quiet moments, she leans in. Because silence, in psychology, creates mystery, and mystery creates attraction. 6. Stay detached from the outcome. Here's the paradox. The less you need her, the more she wants you. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means your happiness doesn't depend on her response. And that kind of independence makes you unforgettable. So how do you make any woman want you, even when she's not interested? You stop chasing. You stop proving. You start living with purpose, emotional control, boundaries, silence, and detachment. Because at the end of the day, attraction isn't about forcing her to like you. It's about becoming the man she can't ignore. Stay calm, stay strong, stay stoic. This is the Stoic way.